Do you think that there's a Yiddish revival?
Huh. Yes, but I would like to criticize the notion of revival, right? As if, first of all, as if it has died. Of course, we can speak about that as well. And the notion whether Yiddish lebt, Zinein, okay, we've been there. But the problem is that from the beginning, the whole category of living and dead for languages, it has some ideological premises that I think should be somehow removed from the table. Again, Hebrew, was it a dead language? Why? Because it was not spoken in the grocery store, so it was dead for hundreds of years with great continuity. Scholars, merchants, certain people in Sabbath, speaking Hebrew constantly for practices that were not everyday practices in the uttermost meaning of the word. Okay, does it mean that it was dead? There's an amazing treasure of Hebrew literature that has been written for hundreds of years that has completely been erased as dead only because it did not answer to the criteria of a living language, an organic language. A true national language is a language that is spoken by the masses. This is interesting historically to inspect, but today to ask whether Yiddish is undergoing a revival or not is to rechew the same premises of a dead or a living language that should actually be deconstructed and criticized rather than perpetuated or